Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be a Glossybox unboxing. Look at this box! I have a giveaway running right now for this little guy right here. It's the Pure X Robbie Christie palette. If you want to check out that video and enter, I will link it up here for you so you can go and see. What are we? October? This is October's Glossybox unboxing. That's a lot of boxes in one sentence. It's Enchanted Spirit and the box is completely different this month. The whole box is this sort of purpley colour and it's got all these cool designs on it, obviously very enchanting, some peacocks, stuff like that. This will be a nice box to keep if that's something that you do, if you store things in boxes. We have a card. Okay, so it looks like you could have either got Enchanted Spirit or Midnight Fantasy. I don't know what the differences are. And it looks like there's a wee card. I think this is just an advert. So it says, find your perfect foundation shade in an instant only at lookfantastic.com. If you don't know already, MAC is actually available at Look Fantastic now. So you scan the QR code on the front of this, you follow the link, answer simple questions about your skin type, and then take a selfie and it will tell you what the best foundation for you is. So I'm actually going to try that and I will insert a little note here to tell you if it worked or not, because I kind of know what shade I am with MAC. So let's see if it comes up with the right shade. Okay, so we have some pretty cool gold paper. I don't know why I'm speaking like that, but what have we got first? We've got Illamasqua first. I love Illamasqua's packaging, I just think it's really chic. This is the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. Part hydrator, part primer. Hydra Veil instantly hydrates and smooths skin for a self-leveling, futuristic clear gel. Microalgae, vitamin C, B3 work together to maintain your skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy looking balanced finish. Plant extracts also provide calming and refreshing feeling, leaving the skin fully prepped and to apply your chosen foundation. The Deluxe Mini, which is this one, I'm pretty sure, 7 mils, is it? Yep. So this is the deluxe sample and it retails for £10. The full size is 30 mils and it retails for £34. It is really, it's like a gel. Oh, okay. If you were to put jelly in the fridge and take it out just before it was set, that's the consistency this is. And it turns into like a water cream as you apply it. It's got the tiniest little bit of stick to it. I think it's supposed to be the same sort of idea as the Hydro Grip primer. Yeah, there's a little bit of tackiness to it. Bubble Tea Cosmetics Fairy Dust Foaming Bath Powder. We've been getting lots of bath stuff. I mean, I'm not massively complaining, but okay. Create a relaxing concoction to bathe in thanks to this mystical fairy dust. Its luscious lavender scent will put you into a dreamy haze and prepare you for deep sleep. Simply sprinkle the foaming powder into a warm bath whilst the water is running, then slip into your position and absorb the soothing powers. The RRP on this is $5.99 and it looks like this is full size. I don't know why anybody sells these sort of things in such a small packet. But it's just, it's like very fine salt, or that's what it feels like. So it's in like a little bag inside this bag. I don't know, why would you do that? But you can smell through it. And it just smells really nice and lavendery, but it is literally just like a powder. It's kind of like really fine sand. I'll give it a try anyway. It is something that I will use for definite. Okay, next we have the Beauty Core, a stargazing blush duo. Get ready to create spellbinding looks thanks to this duo of blushes, combining matte hue with a shimmery shade. The velvety smooth pressed powders can be mixed and matched to create your desired enhancing effect. Sweep the matte formula on the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush, or apply the dazzling shade from a lit within glow. RRP on this is £18. Wait till you see the size of it. And it's like really plasticky and cheap. Like, I would not pay, if I seen this in a shop, I would not pay £18 for it. I'm sorry, Beauty Core. I'm going to have a look at this brand. Right, so I'm going to swatch both the shades. The formula feels nice, it feels soft. Let's sit there so you can see. I think they both have a bit of a sheen. I take it this is the matte one and this is the shiny one. Or is it? They both look identical to me, to be honest. Different shades though. I like this shade a little bit better, but they're both very shimmery to me. Not shimmery, but like reflective, if you know what I mean. So that's £18. I may pass that one along. We have Luna by Luna Pixie lipstick. This lipstick is so luscious you'll think it's been plucked right out of a fairy tale. Its smooth formula glides on effortlessly onto your lips, covering them in creamy and rich pigment, stays for hours. Better yet, won't dry, fade or settle into lip lines. Simply sweep it onto your lips for a plush looking princess worthy pout. And this is £15. Why is everything so expensive? And it's not a brand I've ever even heard of. The component feels like a kid's toy, to be honest with. Like, who's paying money for these things? It's like really hard to like rotate up. It smells nice, I'll give them that, but it's like so plasticky and cheap, it's unbelievable. To put it into context, I got these from Cash Beauty, which is a brand new brand. I can't tell you how much they are though. I'll maybe put it on the screen. I think it's around about the same, if not a couple of pounds more. And the component for it is just so much more expensive looking. It looks expensive, it feels sturdy. Whereas this, it's like plastic. MAC. They are plastic as well, but it doesn't feel, it feels like somebody's just picked this out of a generic place and said, yeah, stick our lipstick in it. Not impressed with that. I don't know about the lipstick though. Let's give it a swatch. I mean, obviously you can't judge it until it's on the lips. Not really a fan of that colour, if I'm honest. But, I mean, it seems okay, but yeah, like I say, just it feels very cheap for £15. Okay, anyway. Last, oh, jeez, oh wait, no, not last thing in the box. We have a Cadbury Dark Milk, both rich and creamy original. It's just like a little sort of taster. I don't know why they've started putting chocolate in the box. Maybe to take away from some of the crappy products, but okay, never mind. Okay, this has got instructions. Eyesential Under Eye Enhancer. I've seen this before. Okay. I'm going to read what it says. This unique product has the power to erase dark circles, puffiness and fine lines for up to 10 hours. A trick in a tube. It forms an extremely fine, invisible, some may say spider web-like film on the surface of your skin to disguise all imperfections. It's kind of like putting egg white on your skin, so as it dries it tightens and then you can apply on top of it. The only thing is, I'm pretty sure that my mum has tried this. I'm going to double check with her and ask. It's not going to do anything on me. I'll probably give her this if she likes it. Yeah, it's okay, but as soon as you put anything liquid on top of it, it starts to peel up and it looks horrendous. So it's great for a no makeup day, and it does work, but if you want to put makeup on top of it, I wouldn't recommend it. It peels up and looks weird. So the deluxe mini, which is this one, I take it, 8ml, is £8. The full size, which is a 20ml, is £24.90. I thought it was more expensive than that, so that's not actually too bad. You're not paying an absolute, I mean, some of these things retail at like £50. It's ridiculous. And that's it. That is it. Oh, that is all for this month. So I'll have been putting the values of everything on the screen as we went along. I'm going to put the value of the entire box here for you. To be honest, not impressed. Absolutely not impressed with this box. They keep on throwing in things like... I like that they put in expensive products, but I wish that they would look at the value of the product as well. Like, obviously this is themed to that blush, so they couldn't not have that in it, but you know what I mean, like, just see what it's like. Is there value for money there? Are you getting a decent product for the price? Yeah, I mean, there's been hits and there's been misses, so I wanted to go back over a couple of things from last month's box. I haven't tried the coffee scrub yet, but I know that I'm gonna like it anyway. Maybe something I would repurchase, I don't know. I usually like them combined with a cream. The Ameliorate Balm, I tried it. It seemed too heavy for me, but I think it might be really good for hands and feet. It's too heavy for my face. It is literally like a not medicated, but like it's like a emollient cream, you know, like Epiderm and stuff like that. It's a wee bit like that. Like, it's It's really sticky and it smells like medicated cream. This stuff I like. It's the Avant Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Oxidizing Duo Moisturizer. Wow. It's like they want you to pay a tenner for every word that they've put in the title. This stuff retails for £100 and I checked, it's this size here, this 50ml bottle that retails for £100. So I kind of wanted to like it, kind of didn't want to like it. I don't mind it. I've seen other people online say that it's completely cleared up their maskne or whatever it is we're calling it now. I'm finding that my UTAN stuff combined with just simply my Clinique moisturiser is helping mine clear up. Very slowly, but it is helping it. But this I do like. I want to wait and use it a wee bit more once my face calms down a little bit more because I can't judge it yet. I can't give it a proper fair trial, and I think for £100 I need to give this a fair trial, so I'm going to save it again for now. The Wishful Enzyme Scrub, I don't mind it. I think it's one of these gimmicky products. It balls up on your skin and basically they say that's your dead skin sloughing off. It's not really. It may be a little bit, but that huge amount of balling up that it's doing is the product. I know a lot of people, I know like that Huda Beauty have said herself or what, but I'm pretty sure that I watched a video where they said that it, you know, they've done it before and it's not balled up, but I'm pretty sure I've seen somebody do an experiment with it where they did it not using their hands on gloves and it's still balled up. But I do like the product. I find that it makes my skin really soft, but I think it's a wee bit overpriced for what it is because you do need to use quite a lot of it. But I was impressed with it. I did like it. And the Imperial Leather Foam Brush is gone. I loved it. I mean, it's super cheap anyway, but it's really nice because it had oils in it. So the foam didn't dry out your skin. The foam sort of like lathered up and made an oily sort of substance so that it would really hydrate your skin. But that was pretty much it for that box. That box I liked. I did really like that. Well, I didn't immediately like it on first look, but in the end, after trying the product, I did end up liking it. So it just shows, you know, that can happen. This one, not impressed. We'll see what next month has to hold. But yeah, did you get it this month? What did you think of it? If anybody has gotten it this month and has the Midnight Fantasy box, let me know because I'm really intrigued to see what's inside. Although probably just gonna go and watch some videos just now. So yeah. If you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.